So now the final step is to polish.
Now this we go machine polish.
And now this is the final step, polishing it. And for what is this stone?
This is a kind of polish paste.
Ah, okay, so polish paste.
Yeah, like
Okay,
the
good.
first one to make it smooth.
So in between he had to put some paste on the polish brush, and that's the paste he puts in on Armor 30. So now the first polish is finished, and now we're gonna boil some water, put some soap in it, that we get this oily paste off, and then we will make the final polish. Normal soap for the washing machine, and now hot water will be added. So normal toothbrush, soap, hot water, and then the paste gets off, and then the final polish is coming. And Sure is done. Okay, so we put the Sure Tunga,
Yeah.
sunstone now in,
Yeah.
and then we give the final polish. So overall it's 13 grams of silver
Yeah.
for both. That's the way how you fix the stone, you just bend the metal around. Now the final polish is coming. So now the final polish. So after 4.5 hours we're finished, and this is the result. For 2 necklaces, one for mom and one for dad. So overall I paid now 25 euro for 5 hours of work. A necklace which is like 18 grams of 95% silver. And yes, a lot of enjoyment and new skills. I mean, I'm super bad, but yeah, see the results.